Hello beautiful people, welcome back once again. Today we made gizzard curry sauce. So without further ado, let's get right into it. You definitely know to make gizzard curry sauce, you'll be needing some gizzard. Yes guys, do you really like gizzard as much as I love gizzard? If you do, kindly like this video. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So after washing my gizzard, I added some dry dill leaves, some curry powder, ginger and garlic powder, a little bit of salt and a seasoning cube. So I'm going to marinate everything together and set it aside for it to thoroughly marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. You can leave it longer if you have the time. And here you can see my veggies. I just diced them into a very nice shape. So now it's 20 minutes and it's time to boil our gizzard. So I pour it in my pot, added a very small amount of water, and that's it guys. Then I let it cook for roughly 30 to 45 minutes without adding any seasoning because I've already added everything to marinate it. So while that is boiling, in my bowl I added 2 tablespoons of corn flour. I added in some dark soy sauce, and I'm also adding in some oyster sauce. Yes, this is oyster sauce that I'm adding right now. So after adding that into it, I added a 1/4 cup of water. Then I'm going to mix everything. So what you're making right now is called corn slurry. Yes, it is used as a thickener in our soup. So once our gizzard is thoroughly cooked, so I packed it out of the pot, and in that same pot I added in some vegetable oil. I added some onions and some Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm going to saute that for about a minute or two. Then I went in to add in some parsley and basil leaf. Then after that I added in my thoroughly cooked gizzard. I added it to it. Then I'm going to stir everything together. I added in some curry powder, ginger and garlic powder as well. And I did not forget to add my game changer, which is my nutmeg masala, to it as well. So I stir everything together. Now I allow it to cook for a few minutes. Then I went ahead to add in my diced vegetables. So I'm making use of onion and carrots. If you have red bell pepper, red, yellow and green bell pepper, at that point you want to add some, but I have just carrots and onions, and that's what I'm making use of. So after adding that, then I finally added in my corn slurry mix, and I allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes, and it is ready guys. Look at what we made. This looks really delicious, and this tastes really delicious, and it looks good as well. So let me know if you are going to be trying it out. Until next time, I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.